Okay, for this video, we're going to need to gather some supplies before we get started. Gonna make either a bird feeder or a little bird house. So you're gonna need some recycled plastic containers, washed in the dishwasher so everything's clean. You're gonna need either scissors or an X-Acto knife or a drill with drill bits and a hole drill bit with big sizes. You're gonna need some sticks. You're gonna need some markers, some colored tape to decorate it, or stickers. Okay, so first thing you have to decide is, do you want your birdhouse or bird feeder to have the hole here, so it would hang this way? Or do you want it to have the hole here, so it would hang this way? So, I'm going to draw. I'm going to want my hole to be here. But actually, I'm going to want it a little higher, so if there's birdseed in there. And then I'm going to want a hole here for my stick. And then I'm going to need a hole here and here for my wire to hang it, like this. Okay. So, let's see, on this one, I want to be able to put a little bit of bird seed in there. So I'm going to make my hole here, and then one for the perch, the stick, and then we'll mark here and here. So some of these containers you can use your drill and drill a hole that big if you have a drill. If not, you can just use some scissors or an X-Acto knife to start the hole and then cut your circle. Not like that. But have mom or dad or a parent or somebody come, there, that's better, and help you with that, because this is a work together Wednesday. This is for families to get together. So moms or dads can cut and use the scissors, and then the whole family can help decorate. So I'm going to go and cut some of these holes, and then I'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, so I have a few of the holes done, and I wanted to show you. So I did use the drill on this one, but as you see, it's still going to need to be trimmed up a little bit. This is our hole for our stick, so you just find a stick that fits, and then you may have to put a little hot glue on that to make it stay. And then there's holes for the wire, and just put a little wire on it to hang it from. So weaken that a little. So, and then this one opens like this. And put the wire through and just kind of bend it to hold that in. And there's the lid, so it hangs like this. A little hot glue here, and there's the hole for the bird to poke his head in. So now it's going to show you how easy, if you poke a little hole, most of these are easy enough for mom or dad. Make sure you have mom or dad to help, and just cut a little hole like this. Make sure you don't put it too low. The bird seed, there not be enough bird seed in there. So, have mom or dad poke a little hole. And then you can just cut a little X to put, well, maybe I did hole. Cut a little X. For your stick to go in. And then the stick will just poke in through there. Maybe not that one. And poke the stick in. Okay, I thought I had a hole. There it goes. There we go. Well, there, final, there. You make a little X there, and then also here, put those there for your wire. And then you just decorate it. So you can use markers to decorate the outside. You can use colored tape and cover up all the other stuff if you don't want to see it. Come on. Or you can add some stickers. Just get creative, what you want to put on there. And then have the wire in there, open it up, fill it with birdseed if you want it to be a bird feeder. Or just leave it out separate if you want it to be a birdhouse. And that's it. Y'all have fun and be safe. Have mom or dad help with the scissors, or if they use an X-Acto knife or the drill. So there you go. I'm gonna decorate one real quick and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so I've got mine decorated. So I didn't realize that this tape was transparent, so you really can still see all the things on there, but it's covered. And there's my wire. I went ahead and put tape on the outside, and then on the inside I just bent it up. And there's my stick. And then this one, I just added some stickers, some red tape, and I went ahead and put tape around my little stick. So all I have to do now is fill it with some birdseed and go hang it outside. Okay, so the last thing you got to do is put some birdseed in and hang them out for the birds. And I'll try and catch some pictures of the birds around here coming to eat. I also made this one of a peroxide bottle, and I just took all 4 sides out and left the middle open. Added some stickers, put some holes in for the hanger, and there it is. I'll try and get some pictures of the birds eating.